Hi, this is Infinity, and I'm going to show you today how to make this magnetic, non-flammable menorah. So this is something you can use if you want to have something for the kids that is non-flammable. But it also works as a timekeeper for lighting up your real menorah, because the candles on this menorah stay lit all the time. They don't go out. So I started off with this. This is a metal board. And if you want to close up a little bit so you can see this. So I got this from this game called Magnetic Poetry. And then I just covered up the name by making a little Happy Hanukkah sticker just to cover up the name. All right, you could back up. So if you can't find one of these, which you may not be able to, because I made this many years ago, just use the back of a cookie tin, a cookie baking sheet. Or you can just do the whole thing just directly onto the refrigerator. Any magnetic surface will work. So for the actual menorah, this is cardstock, and I glued little magnets on the back, okay? Or you could, if you want to paint it right on or something like that, you can. And I decorated the menorah, excuse me, with rubber stamps, with the star, with the dreidels and such. So the menorah is decorated. This was hand drawn, but I made it on a pattern where I drew half, folded the paper in half, and then cut it, and then you open it up, so now you have, so it's symmetrical if you're hand drawing it. So down here, so these are the candles, and how I made the candles is you can buy blank sheets of magnetic, just blank magnet sheets at Michael's Crafts or someplace. But if you have any old business cards, magnetic business cards on your fridge, or magnetic bumper stickers that you don't want anymore, calendars, phone numbers, you can just use that. Cover it up with white paper and then rubber stamp. Hand draw your candle, or you can print out a picture of a candle. So what these are a rubber stamp, what is supposed to be, actually, it was called a birthday cake candle. So it was rubber stamped on the white sheet, and then I might have added some pencil to color it, I don't remember. And then afterwards I covered it with either clear packing tape or those clear laminating sheets, those cold laminating sheets. But this is small, so just cover it up with clear packing tape. All right, so there's the lighting of the menorah. So on evening number 1, you put on your candles. Evening number 2, you keep adding your candles. So the great part about this is that once you put the candle up, it stays lit. It doesn't burn away like on an actual candle menorah. So when you start getting to your 4th, 5th, 6th night and you can't remember which night of Hanukkah is, and you're like, oh, what is today, night number 5 or night number 6? You had a busy day and you can't remember what it is. Here's your reference calendar. And the kids will most likely like it, I'm assuming. I think I made another candle just to be safe as a spare. And you can use it as your reference. And it's also a nice decoration. So if you decide to make this, have fun and Happy Hanukkah.